Shape for his eye. Over here at the front of his snout, kind of front of his mouth, I'm gonna curve around the front and it's gonna go back. And then we're gonna draw the far side eye over here. The far side eye is gonna be a little bit thinner because it's kind of some people don't watch videos in general. They don't want help. So you're ahead of a lot of people by doing that. Drawing is amazing to do. It is like one of the funnest things I've ever done. It's a cool thing. You can impress your friends. You can draw your family members. It's fun. It's amazing. It takes years to hone your skill, but it is totally worth it and one of the most rewarding. As well. Also, if you like learning a little bit about drawing, if you want to increase your drawing knowledge, little bit every day, hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe immediately. On this channel, I'm going to be posting 3 times every single weekday, and it's going to be on every single topic you can imagine. So I'm going to create playlists for, I already have playlists. So for example, if you feel like drawing Among Us on one day, I have an Among Us playlist. You go to the playlist section, I'll share it plenty. And you can just choose from there what kind of crewmate you want to draw. You want to draw Sonic? I have a playlist for that. I'm going to try to draw every character I can think of in the Sonic universe, and I'm going to fill out that playlist. Pokemon, anything. That's why I draw so many. So it'll give you notifications for stuff that comes up, and you decide whether you want to draw that topic that day or not, or you just want to go to other videos. as well. Pulling in here, pulling down here, pulling down here. Alrighty, now we're gonna find the back portion of his body here. His body is much smaller compared to his head, as you can tell, right? So his body looks like a little bean body. Pull down, curved line here, curved line here. If you want more Sonic characters, please put them in the comment section. Or if you want to help the channel out, if you value the stuff that I do here, if you value like maybe even like the Sonic universe, you know, like if you want it to be shared, share the video. Share it anywhere. Share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on not Instagram so much, right? But because it's kind of different. I would say Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, any of that stuff. When you share it, it brings this huge boost of positive energy to it. Right here, I'm going to draw kind of some wiggly shapes right here for the socks. And it feels like two donuts wrapped around his leg. That's kind of the way I see it, but they're merged. But yeah, like I said, sharing a video helps the channel growth, and it also just kind of, you know, spreads the word on whatever topic it is that you support. I'm like huge on Sonic. Not many people are anymore, right? Or is Sonic still big? I love Sonic. See, curve out, down. I'm on the Sonic Facebook pages, and I know they seem very, very active. But I want Sonic to have another new huge game. He hasn't had a huge game in a while. Pulling out, down. His feet are pretty huge. In. And we're drawing kind of that base of that sole, right? The bottom portion of the shoe. Curved line over here, curved line over. Alrighty. Pulling a line down to his side. Down here. There's like two. One tail and an S curve, pulling down, up, pulling back in here. So you have one, and then from back here, I'm going to draw another one. And you have those two tails, and it's going to have a pattern on it. So see that flame-like pattern, that zigzag? We're going to have another zigzag pattern to show the pattern on the tail. And there you go. That is Tails. I guess Miles Tails Prower. Is that his last name? I didn't look that up. I think it's Prower. But that is Tails from Sonic. I hope you enjoyed that. If you like, hopefully you enjoyed that. You know, like I said, you need to if you need to rewind, absolutely do that. That is Tails. If you like drawing video game artwork, I have an entire book. I'm selling my entire half year of sketchbook. This is my entire sketchbook. I think for the beginning of 2020, or was it 2019? and it goes over video game art. It's not a lesson book. It is my personal sketchbook. I decided to print it out and give it to people who kept asking. They said, what does a professional sketchbook look like? I used to work for a movie company, and so this is literally what like I printed out. There's 24 pages and it's packed full of stuff. If you want to learn, it'll basically have, you'll learn so much just by consuming kind of the content in here. I'm kind of looking at it and seeing the lines, the way I pull lines, the way I apply stuff, so that you can draw kind of your own stuff, and it'll boost your drawing ability if you're into video game art like that. Of course, that's a different style, but it is video game related. That is why there's even a Sonic in here, I believe. I think there's a Sonic in here. Oh no, there's a Knuckles in here. There's a Knuckles in here. Yeah, see, there's a Knuckles in here. Like I said, if you're looking to like really push your ability very quickly, kind of absorb what's in here. Just kind of look at how I pull lines and the things I do, and it will push your ability to you, so you can create your own character. You can do whatever you want. You're taking the tools that I give you, and you're applying them and then doing with it what you want. So if you want to create that character, you can do that, maybe in the similar style as this, or taking what you learn here and applying it to your personal style. That is on Etsy. I put 20 on there. I think it's down to 10 now. Check that out. That link is in the description. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the very next video. Oh, also, if you got to this point, say hi to me, and I will say hi back. I will reply to every single comment. If you say hi, I'll know that you got to the end of the video. Talk to you later, and I'll see you soon.